Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics here to introduce one of our newest projects here. This is called Bewitched, absolutely adorable quilt. This is designed by the Pattern Basket, and when I saw the Halloween Whimsy collection from Riley Blake by designer Teresa Kogut, it was a match made in heaven. We love kind of fun, whimsical, adorable kind of Halloween. I don't like the scary stuff. I think this is just an adorable quilt, and this is my favorite Halloween collection of the season, no doubt. Just look at this fabric right here. The backing option on this, and limited edition. Oh my gosh, if you do end up reserving your kit, if I could emphasize more than I normally do, get this. There's very limited amount of that remaining at Riley Blake. Go ahead and get that amazing backing. The fabric is just darling. You can see this, the whimsy and the fun and the cute little, even the cute little cat has a party hat on. Just adorable. As you can see, I'm very excited about this collection. So as I said, we're offering this on a reserve. That means all you need to do today is say, yes, I too think that's pretty cute and I want you to hold a kit for me. And you're just giving us a $10 deposit that's going toward the cost of that kit. And then when those are done, we'll bill you for the difference and head that your way. Free freight in the United States. With freight costs going sky high, free freight has become more valuable than ever before. And again, we would be shipping out the backing at the same time. So if you're going to get the quilt and the backing, that's all shipping to you for free freight in the United States. And if you're somewhere else in the world that maybe enjoys Halloween as well, if that's even celebrated in your country, or maybe you just like the look of that, international rates are discounted. Bethany made the sample quilt here. You may have seen some of her videos. These are the notions she recommended that she used to make the sample quilt. Creative Grids, of course, is our go-to rulers. I see she started off with her biggest ruler, and then of course as we start to zero in on those witch hats blocks, those smaller rulers are coming into play. A 6.5 inch, her 4.5 inch by 8.5 inch, and then the 3.5 by 6.5, and the corner clipper. I can see many occasions you'd want to use that in this particular quilt. And just like myself, she's very good about using a fresh blade and that rotary cutter to get as clean of a cut as she can, with the fresh patchwork pins, good thread, sharp needles in the sewing machine. We've got the Schmetz 8012 is what she used on that. Some marking tools, and of course, those wonder clips for when we get to the stage of getting to bind our quilt. So this one's pretty special. Limited quantities on that kit and that backing. Be sure to pick those up. And hey, if you haven't subscribed yet, not just to our YouTube channel and also joined our email list, join the conversation in social media. There's so much going on for Shabby, and also our new channel, Shabby at Home, for projects there as well. Thanks for letting me show you about Bewitched, our newest quilt offering here at Shabby Fabrics.